How'd you sleep there, Princess?
I slept as you would expect, as a near 42-year-old man sleeping on the ground.
Yeah, I slept about the same way.
Yep.
You only rolled over on top of me once.
Once?
Once. I was expecting more.
That's a little bit disappointing.
Yeah, let's go roll over some trout.
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
Morning, boys.
Morning.
Yeah, you know, a good way to do it would be just go down, camp down, canyon. On it.
Oh, Buddy Joe's got me coffee. And just smell that straight black. There you go. Instant.
No,
coffee.
this is French
That's
press.
the real
This
deal,
is
man.
French pressed coffee.
All right, man.
Welcome to our breakfast table.
You good there? It's about give me a touch more. Good.
Question as to whether or not it tastes good.
It's oh, you know it's gonna taste good. Good boy. Good boy.
Dave, what's going on, man?
So I walked out behind the tent into the woods. Heard some crunching in the woods.
Is it, Dave?
It's a freaking grizzly.
What? JMO,
Yeah, you need to look at that side.
what's that?
Look at that side.
Oh gosh.
I think that'll leave a mark.
That's a bear claw scratching on a tree. Well, we had a little scare there. One moment we thought there was a grizzly behind the tent. We went back to investigate and saw that it was just a big bison that could easily be mistaken as a bear. But in the process, we did find some evidence of a grizzly bear. Big old elk carcass, probably a kill from the spring, I would imagine. Pretty cool to find an elk carcass. Full 6x7 elk. Pretty sweet. Right there, Lover's Bluff. All right, we're fishing just directly below our campsite at 2S3. All right, Bill and I are working our way downstream in the second meadow. He's hitting the holes with a hopper, and then I'll jump in with a woolly bugger. We got ourselves a nice Slough Creek cutthroat. All right, finally we got Bill chasing a couple chasers, 3 or 4 chasers out of this hole. It's a pretty good fish too. That's definitely a different fish. It's a bigger fish too. Man, that's a good fish. Bill and I hunted this guy down, and the best part about this gorgeous fish is that it was on the thin mint Bill tied before we came. Ah, that's beautiful. Good job, Bill. Good job. All right, let's get him back down in the water. You put him right in your net. Good day, huh?
Oh, fantastic day.
Fantastic day.
First time I ever caught a cutthroat, western cutthroat on a streamer. And it's the first time I ever caught a fish on a streamer that I tied. That you taught me how to tie.
Right over your shoulder. Watch you tie it, watch you catch it. Like I experienced the same exact thing you did.
Wow.
Except the bobbin wasn't in my hand and the rod wasn't in my hand.
Second one we started that night is still in the vise.
Is it? Well, you know what that means. We got to finish it and come back.
That's right. Amen.
It's been a glorious day. Glorious day.
It is perfect weather.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
Well, that's a wrap on the Slough Creek Meadows for 2021. Time to head back to the campsite, pack up, head out. More good fishing to come later, either later this evening or definitely tomorrow.
Indeed.
This is the shot. This is the shot.
That was our second or third wrap on the Slough Creek Meadows. You've got alternative endings.